What's up, YouTube? Just making a quick little video on my pressure washer and running my direct drive pressure washer running off this a 12-volt pump that hooked up to this tank. Right now we got some water supply in there. It's on running. You can see there's water coming out through here. So I just rigged up this T so that way I can drain the water through this little valve, and the pressure washer, the water goes into this filter, then into the 12-volt pump, and then up this hose into the pressure washer. So the 12-volt pump is currently hooked. I just hooked it up to the 12-volt battery, and I haven't tried it yet. I'm about to try it in this video, like for the first time. But yeah, it ran for a couple seconds until there was enough pressure or water inside this inside here. Yeah, let me go to the other side to get started and try it out. I already tried it out with just feeding it directly from the buffer tank, and it worked, but there was like no consistent flow of water coming out when I used the ball valve. It was weird. And let's see. Oh yeah, by the way, that 12-volt pump over there is a 5.5 gallon per minute. My pump is rated for 4 gallon a minute max. So yeah, there should be no problem there. Got the pressure hose coming out here. It's 25 feet right now. No, not 25, it's 50. Right now I've only got a 50-foot hose. I got another 50 and another 150 down here, but I'm not using it right now. Pressure washer is off. I'm just gonna try and hold the gun. It hasn't been turned on at all. It's all cold. I'm getting a consistent stream coming out of the wand. It seems like the 12-volt pump is like pulsing a little bit, but I think that's just because there's probably some resistance in here inside the pump. I think when it, so I think when it stops pumping water is when there's resistance, and inside this the pump, sometimes there's a little bit of resistance when I pull the trigger. It's weird. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm thinking it only pulses because it has to go through here, through the pressure washer pump. Let's see. Consistent water flow for the most part. It does do that pulsing thing, but I don't know if that's normal. All right, I'm gonna get it up and running. Turn on. I'm gonna try to do it like at half throttle. That way it gets like to prime up and warm up a little bit, because I don't want to damage anything real quick. I don't want it sucking too much and then the pump not keeping up, but it should keep up. Okay, fuel's on, choked, half throttle right now. Hold the trigger and water flow in. So I don't know if y'all saw, but when I was when the pressure washer was on, it was like doing the same thing right here when I had the ball valve on full open. There was like a pulsing of water coming out. It wasn't like a steady stream. And yeah, the pump is still doing the same thing. How it's like pulsing. I'm pretty sure it's because of the back pressure that like when it builds up inside the pump. So yeah, I don't think I'll be, personally, I don't want to risk it. I'll probably just, I don't know if I should use the 12 volt or just straight gravity feeding it, but most likely I'm probably just gonna stick to straight from the house, you know, just to be safe, because it's getting water. Let's see if it stops. Yeah, it stopped once it. I don't know if my pump is damaged. I mean, it's brand new. I don't know if it's supposed to do that or if it's pump. I honestly don't know. So if y'all have any suggestions in the comments, just put them down in the comments, you know. Subscribe, you know. And yeah, I'll try to reply as fast as I can to y'all's comments. I've been really busy lately, and